The room has a nice king-size bed and can sleep 4 people. You have a nice desk area here. You have your docking station with the speaker there and your digital clock. This is your couch. So with this couch is a trundle bed. When you pull out the bottom, one person can sleep on the bottom, and then they turn the top portion into a bed as well. You have your flat screen TV. You have your coffee and tea, your microwave, your flat screen TV. There's ample storage space with the drawers here. Then you have your mini fridge. Now when you arrive at beaches, it only has soft drinks and bottled water, but there's a form here that you can fill out if you want to have alcohol put in the refrigerator. The reason they do not put this in advance is because of children being in the resort and they want the parents to approve it. So when we come out to the balcony here, you have these beautiful beachfront views. You have a table with 2 chairs to sit here and enjoy this beautiful view. This is a very quiet section of the resort. You have a rack here to dry your bathing suits. And there's a shuffleboard court as well as a chess game over there. You have beautiful hammocks, a little gazebo to sit in. Nice full-length mirror. And then we come into the bathroom part, which is great is that they put the sink outside and your makeup mirror that lights out. Plenty of storage space under here. And they keep that away from the bathroom so that when you go to take a shower, someone could be in the shower while you're getting ready and someone could be using the sink. All the rooms have a tub, so if you have small children, you can give them a bath if need be. All the concierge rooms all come with robes, and if you have children in the room, they will have small robes for the children's sizes. Then you have your closet, which has your hair dryer, and your iron and iron board, and your safe. And your safe will fit a laptop in there. Pillow menu with extra pillows and extra blankets. And the nice thing about beaches resorts is that when you are on a walkout room type, which this is not a walkout, this is the 2nd floor, room 712, but on the walkout rooms, if you go out your balcony door, you can lock your door that way and use your key to get in. So you don't have to worry about going out the main entrance of the door. All doors can be locked and opened with the key. Now this room is also a connecting room. So you could join this with another room, and what's a nice feature is that you can close this door and make it a 2-bedroom room. So you would have the room here, and then this door would shut as well, so you have the privacy of actually having 2 separate rooms with 1 entrance. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get this insider travel information. When you're ready to book your beaches or sandals resorts, please call A Premier Travel.